Hi guys, Phil here from Farmer Phil's Toy Barn, back with another review. Foxfire Farm. Agar King case 1170 with the man. He's in the box. This is not a new model by any means or standards. This model is from 1997. This was in my collection. This was in our collection for probably since '97. It was from a store near us, and the original price was $49.99. So let's get started. Oh, something's wrong. Let's get started. See what's inside. Now, like I said, this has been opened before, so it's not brand new by any. This has been opened, that's why there's newspaper. That's what the guy's wrapped in. So let's get started here. First, here's your man. He's wearing a vest. He has, looks like a jean shirt on and jeans, cowboy boots, and a cowboy hat. Very detailed. Nice. Here's the tractor. Dirty. 1170 case. Nice. See if he gets on here. Just like that. Doesn't roll too good, but that's to be expected. It was in the box for over 10 years. There you go. It is basic case colors, cream and orange, or creamish yellow and orange. Has the old case decal, which matches the tractor. Big plastic air cleaner and exhaust. Plastic exhaust. Plastic seat, levers, and a toolbox. They're not plastic, they're part of the casting. Case 1170 right here. Your basic hitch. This is a basic Ertl model tractor. This isn't highly detailed or anything. It's just your basic case 1170 for the lineup. So it's meant to be played with. Just basic tractor. Not too many parts that can be broken off. Just basic. Your engine is stamped in. It's pretty detailed. Plastic grill and plastic in here. Good steering. Overall, a very nice model. Nice touch with the guy here. He's meant to sit here. He's specific for this model. Or any tractor this size he would fit on because of the steering. Plastic seat. But he looks good there. Not very much else about this. It's just a basic Ertl lineup tractor. Tractor here with the Fox Farm. It's made in 1997, and its name is the Last Cowboy, number 9 in the series of Fox Farm tractors. The figure is a cold cast porcelain figure, so the figure will break. You can't really play with the figure. He will break easily. So this has been a review of the case 1170 from Ertl and the Fox Farm figure as the Fox Farm set number 9 in the series, The Last Cowboy. Phil signing out.